This is a crime scene where a shooting incident took place, and the suspect is being killed by a shot by the police. And there were several casualties, and that's about it. The crime scene is to be frozen by the police. Then we'll come over and we'll scan, record the entire crime scene in the untouched way. It is a specific department that's specialized in incident recording, incident visualization, and incident reconstruction. The overview was scanned with array, and the details scanned from the object and the victims were scanned with the LEOs. And then later on, when the crime scene has been cleared out and the victims are brought to the hospital for further investigation, then you can make very high detail scans from bullets or from injuries or from trajectories through bodies. The accuracy is very important because always what we gain, what we do, is used in court as evidence. We have chosen the Artec scanners just for their possibilities in the handheld scanning. It's more comfortable to work with because I'm not wired on any device, and that makes it more easy to use and it makes it more versatile. The court uses the 3D model to get their impression of the crime scene. So they can, with virtual reality, they can look around at the crime scene, and then when they have looked around at the crime scene, they all have the same idea about the crime scene because they all are looking at the same model. And that's important. We document it, but you have to tell it what you did with that specific part. It gives us access to more investigation possibilities that in earlier days weren't possible. Everything had to be done on this crime scene because when the crime scene is gone, you haven't got any information left. And now we have the entire crime scene, so we can later on rely on measurements. And we have assisted in MH17. Hardly any policeman in the Netherlands isn't involved in that investigation. All the equipment that had to be investigated would be, to a certain way, be demolished. At first, that specific part had to be scanned to show what it was like when we received it. And then later on, it will be opened by force or something else. And then the actual traces that are hidden in it will be taken, but then we can give a view of the whole process of the product, and we can tell that in court exactly what we did.